My name is James McGarvey, as you might understand. I come from Derry again and own a farm of land, but the rents and rates and taxes I can no longer pay. So farewell unto ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallon Braes. As I went a walking one morning in May, the view on fair valleys and mountains so gay, I was thinking on your flowers all going to decay, that grows around ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallon Braes. It's not for the want of employment at home that causes the sons of this land for to roam. It's a tax is getting higher, I can no longer pay. So farewell unto ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallon Braes. It's off o'er these mountains with my dog and my gun. I ramble these mountains for joy and for fun, but these days are now over and I am far away. So farewell to ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallon Braes. So farewell